Today I will be installing these LEDs into the interior on my Mini Cooper R50. I will be replacing the standard bulbs that currently sit in the rear map lights, the glove box and boot, the vanity mirrors in the sun visor, the door puddle lights and footwells, and finally the front map lights. But first, let's take a look how the car looks as standard. Okay, got my selection of lights. I haven't got a clue which one's which, so I'm going to start by taking this one out. So it looks like 3 bulbs need to be changed. Alright, let's see if we can get this apart. This one's pretty obvious, just pulls out with a little bit of force. Pretty self-explanatory to change that one. We just literally popped it out. I could get my fingers around it and just replaced the new one in. Let's see if it works. Oh wow, I don't really know if you can pick up just how bright that is. Alright, for the next one, don't know if you can see it, that is tucked up right up in there, and that's going to be the same on the other side as well. I'm going to get some sort of longer nose pliers onto that and just try and gently persuade it out and see what type of bulb it is. It's not something I'm going to be able to do whilst holding a camera, so I'm just going to pop them in there with a reasonable grip and just give it a little wiggle. There we have it. So that's the type of bulb we're going to be replacing. And there we have it. I hope that shows. That's the 2 replacement bulbs. And then really simply you can see which way that goes round. It's self-explanatory when you look at it. Just pop that back on, clip it into place, job done. 1, 2, 3. So next we're going to hop into the boot and we're going to change this one right here. Alright, so we're just with a little flathead screwdriver, we're going to get this closest to the back of the seat. I'm just going to prise behind, enough to get our fingers behind, so we can remove that there. And there we can see the bulb. I'm just going to disconnect it for now, because it can get quite warm. And the bulb we're replacing is another one of them. So this is the unit the bulb's going into. It just literally sits into that metal piece, top and bottom. 1, 2 contacts in there. Not the best of fits, but it's in. Wow, super bright. And that just slides. Next we're going to go down onto the footwells. Let's have a look. See if we can do the same with this one. Just a little screwdriver. That's it. Oh, nice and Nice and easy to pry that off. That's actually quite warm, so I probably wouldn't touch that without disconnecting it first. Give it a little tug, should be able to see the connector on there. So that's what we've pulled off. Let's go ahead and try and replace this bulb. Pushes back into place, and of course we'll do the same at the other side. Okay, so next are these lights. Try and get a picture before and after. Okay, 1, 2. For this one to remove, I'm going to start prying off just with a screwdriver, just gently, until it comes off. So that unit drops down, and there you can see we've got two black bits. These just simply unscrew and remove. Then all we're going to do is we're going to pull these bulbs out of its holder and replace them with LEDs. Screw that back into position. Next up, we've got a couple of bulbs for lights in the vanity mirror, call it what you will. So let's get a before and after on them. Now to get these off, again, just a little screwdriver, and we're just going to literally pop off this plastic on both sides. And then you'll be able to see the two bulbs there and there, and again they literally just pull out. And then you can see where the others will just simply push back into place. So there we go, that's what they look like before we put the plastic back on. There we have it. For the comparison, here we go, much better, much better. So next up is the glove box. Another nice easy one. The light's just under here. It's currently off because I've already taken the bulb out of this one. So I'm just going to get in with the screwdriver again. There's kind of a lip on this side. It's the same fitting as what we've seen before. And it's that type of bulb. The ends like that. I'm just going to pop that in. There we go, and then that pushes back up. There we go. Much brighter. Finally, I'm going to change the puddle lights on the bottom of each door. These come out nice and easy with a gentle pry with the screwdriver. The bulbs are the same as what we used in the Footwells and the rear map lights. Now let's take a look at the difference it has made. Much brighter in the car now.